Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Hello everyone, and hello Nexo. This is a vocabulary lesson.
Hello, Emma. I am ready to learn.
Today we will learn words from these categories. Nationalities, with words like American and Canadian. Languages, with words like English and Spanish.
That sounds very useful, Emma.
Here is how the video is structured. Listen to each word. Quiz 1. Practice the words in Quiz 1. Phrases. Hear each word in a sentence. Quiz 2. Practice the phrases in Quiz 2. Are you ready to begin? Nexo?
Yes. Emma,
I am ready. Let's start by listening to the words.
great. I will listen carefully. Nationalities. American. American. Canadian. Canadian. Mexican. Mexican. Brazilian. Brazilian. British. British. French. French. Italian. Italian. Chinese. Chinese. Japanese. Japanese. Languages. English. English. Spanish. Spanish. French. French. Portuguese. Portuguese. Chinese. Chinese. Japanese. Japanese. Arabic. Arabic. German. German. Italian. Italian. I know some words now.
Good. Now we will do a quiz to reinforce the vocabulary we learned. Nexo, match the image with the correct word.
Mexican. Canadian. Chinese. American. What is this? American. What is this? Canadian. What is this? Mexican. French. British. Brazilian. Japanese. What is this? Brazilian. What is this? British. What is this? French. Chinese. Italian. Brazilian. Japanese. What is this? Italian. What is this? Chinese. What is this? Japanese. Spanish. English. German. French. What is this? English. What is this? Spanish. What is this? French. English. Chinese. Japanese. Portuguese. What is this? Portuguese. What is this? Chinese. What is this? Japanese. German. English. Italian. Arabic. What is this? Arabic. What is this? German. What is this? Italian.
How was the quiz, Nexo?
It was good. I liked the images.
Excellent. Now let's hear the vocabulary in context.
Nationalities. American. The boy is American. The boy is American. Canadian. She is Canadian. She is Canadian. Mexican. The man is Mexican. The man is Mexican. Brazilian. She is Brazilian. She is Brazilian. British. The teacher is British. The teacher is British. French. The girl is French. The girl is French. Italian. The chef is Italian. The chef is Italian. Chinese. The family is Chinese. The family is Chinese. Japanese. The woman is Japanese. The woman is Japanese. Languages. English. I speak English. I speak English. Spanish. He speaks Spanish. He speaks Spanish. French. She speaks French. She speaks French. Portuguese. We speak Portuguese. We speak Portuguese. Chinese. They speak Chinese. They speak Chinese. Japanese. He reads Japanese. He reads Japanese. Arabic. She reads Arabic. She reads Arabic. German. I study German. I study German. Italian. We study Italian. We study Italian.
Now it is time for quiz 2. Match the image with the sentence.
Okay. I will choose the correct sentence.
The boy is American. B. She is Canadian. B. The man is Mexican. C. She is Brazilian. C. The teacher is British. A. The girl is French. C. The chef is Italian. C. The family is Chinese. A. The woman is Japanese. B. I speak English. A. He speaks Spanish. C. She speaks French. A. We speak Portuguese. B. They speak Chinese. C. He reads Japanese. C. She reads Arabic. B. I study German. B. We study Italian. A.
Good job. This is the end of the lesson. This class was very useful.
I learned nationalities and languages. It was fun.
Goodbye, listeners. Continue with the next lesson.